some fidget toys that are good to bring to school. My first one would have to be a mesh ball. This is a white mesh ball. It could be any color mesh ball. This white mesh ball I have has pom-poms in it, so yeah. These are actually super hard to get, so yeah. I love this mesh ball. It's so fun to squish. So, mesh ball. If you have pom-pom squishies, those definitely. Normal little scented squishy. You can use any squishy. And yeah, you can use miniature ones too. I like to bring some small poppets, like some one-stick poppets, some folding balls, and then a normal little poppet. It's just one. It's a nice little fidget that you can like bring anywhere. And then I think all of you guys want to see this my trading mat. I think it's super cute. The colors. So yeah. And then the way I made this, you can also close it up for when I eat it or pack it in your bag if you're gonna go on vacation and your friend has fidgets and all. So yeah. Some home, of course, like you can use any poppets at home. I'm just gonna repop this one. So, yeah, that was today's video. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Oh, and remember, these poppets are poppets you should like bring to school. Don't make a trading. If you open it up, they're giant. Yeah, see you guys in my next video. Bye.